Flip National Challenge, Season 9.
What is the Flip National Challenge about?
Every year, thousands of B-schoolers compete for the highest score in select Flip certifications. They benchmark themselves against an all-India pool to power their career in financial services.
Okay, that sounds exciting. Which certifications are you offering this year?
This year, B-schoolers can compete in the following Flip certifications, chosen for powerful summer or final placement impact. For first-year students, Finance and Banking Fundamentals, Wealth Advisor. For final-year students, Corporate Banking, RM and Credit Analysis, Treasury and Capital Markets, International Trade and Cash Management Services.
What are the benefits of participating in the Flip National Challenge?
For first-year students, crack core finance internships by showcasing your finance focus in summer placement interviews. For final-year students, proven placement impact and unbeatable ROI of Flip certifications. Ongoing mentorship with business leaders via exclusive online forum and live web sessions. Win prestigious pre-placement interviews and direct internships. Cash prizes to the top 3 and all India ranking to the top 10% in each certification. CV guidance and mock interviews to the toppers from final year.
I just heard PPIs and internships. Who are the PPI and internship partners this year?
PPI partners this year are ICRA Limited, one of India's leading credit rating agencies, and Reliance Industries Limited, India's largest private sector company. The internship partners are Axis Capital, Contrarian Capital, Reliance Industries Limited, and Sanctum Wealth Management.
Okay, this sounds great. Can you tell me about Flip?
Flip is a senior IIM alumni initiative, offering India's largest range of online programs for banking and financial services. 65,000 plus learners have trusted us and grown in their careers. 14,000 plus B-schoolers took the challenge to benchmark themselves. 92% B-schoolers say Flip helped in our placement.